Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to read WhatsApp message without showing blue ticks. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is open WhatsApp and click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then we will click on the settings option. Next we will click on the privacy option. In the privacy settings we will scroll down to the read receipts section. We will then toggle the read receipt switch to the off position. This will disable read receipts for WhatsApp message. With read receipts disabled, the other person would not see blue check marks when we read their messages. They will only see gray check marks, which indicate that the message has been delivered. And that's it, we have successfully disabled read receipts for WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.